How to watch ESPN on Firestick. Step number 1. Connect and set up your Firestick. Plug the Firestick into your TV's HDMI port. Connect the Firestick to a power source. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect to Wi-Fi and set up your Amazon account. Step number 2. Install the ESPN app. From the Firestick home screen, navigate to the search icon represented by a magnifying glass. Type ESPN into the search bar. Select the ESPN app from the search results. Click download or get to install the app. Step number 3, open the ESPN app. After installation, return to the home screen. Navigate to your apps and channels. Locate and open the ESPN app. Step number 4, log in or subscribe. Upon opening the app, you'll be prompted to log in. If you have an existing ESPN account, enter your credentials. If you don't have an account, follow the on-screen instructions to subscribe. Step number 5, access ESPN content. Once logged in, navigate through the app to access live sports, shows, and other ESPN contents.